Hey guys, it's me, Millie here, and today I am playing Roblox, and I just woke up. I don't know where I am. Oh my god! I think you've lost your way. The way back is not safe. I'll help you with the way back. Why is it not safe? Why can't you just do your ghost magic to make me go? Are you trying to kill me or something? I feel like you are trying to. Why are you getting this in the cave? Let's go to the beach. We need to get to lost here, right? So, what way up? Oh my gosh, me. Oh, what? Don't want to go to the. I want to find my house. How can we trust anything? Just makes sense, though. Cock. So maybe this one. I don't trust the rest of the ghost. Now come in. Wait out. I need to concentrate. Right, so maybe we'll go to the ghost story. Did my sisters do? Protected. What was that? No, I won't. Zoom in for now, yeah. That was so... maybe if I could just have to hit them. Or zoom in that. 1 minute. I think it got me home. Okay guys, I'm gonna end it here too. Bye!